This week's episode of MasterNode Monday, presented by MasterNodesPro, is coming at you right now. First off, congratulations to NetRum for breaking into the top 10 rankings for the first time ever on MasterNodes.pro. Congratulations, you guys. Keep up the good work. NIX has finally released the beta version of off-chain governance. The full version should be available in about a week or two once they get all the bugs fixed. They have released their new wallet, so all users can participate in that beta testing. I have that link for you below, so download it. Let us know what you think. Recently, Pivx tweeted out that a new core wallet will be released soon that will harden the security of our POS network. It's recommended for everyone to upgrade ASAP once released. This will help prepare our network for the upcoming major wallet release. I'll make sure to let you guys know right here when that is released. Ion shared nodes are now paired with BTC on the Ionomy exchange. Earn passive level income with as little as 1 Ion. Now you can earn MasterNode rewards while you wait for your market order to hit BTC price. Check it out in the link provided below. Alright guys, thanks for sticking with us. It looks like I'm about to get rained out, so I'm going to wrap this up. If you want to stay up to date with everything we post every Monday, hit that subscribe icon at the end of this video, and I will see you guys next week.